From a robotic hand that feels what it touches, to a robot that munches on metal for fuel, and a surgical robot that learns by watching videos, these machines are changing the game, and the engineers behind them are letting us know how.
It packs 25 pounds of pressure and pinpoints stress like a sniper with millimeter-level accuracy. Meet Eric Littman, always on the go, always sore, but with travel chaos and massage therapist shortages, Eric engineered his own fix, an AI-powered massage robot, custom built for recovery. Eric is not just the CEO of Escape, he's the engineer behind a robotic wellness revolution. Escape is reshaping how we recover. No appointments necessary, just data-driven relief. Here's how it works. You throw on a high-tech suit, similar to exercise clothing, and lay on a smart massage bed, designed to support every muscle group. Infrared scanners kick in, capturing over 1 million data points to map your body, pressure points, muscle shape, and tension zones. Then 2 heated robotic arms with hand-like massage pads apply pressure based on pre-programmed massage routines. The user also has control with a touchscreen to choose from over 20 different massage programs, adjusting pressure up to 25 times per second. You're even able to change the background music for the right vibes. Escape's massage robot doesn't just relieve the stress, it also goes easy on your wallet. Service starts at $60 for a 30-minute session. And because the robot can work both sides of the body at once, Littman says it offers, quote, at least twice the work and half the time you'd spend in a traditional massage. And with $85 million in funding and partnerships with Equinox and Four Seasons, Escape is bringing luxury recovery to everyday stress. Okay, so we've seen a robot that can work out those knots, but drum roll, what about a robot that powers up by eating metal? Mechanical engineer James Picoul was tired of waiting for better batteries to power robots, so he built a device that digests rust. As an associate professor of mechanical engineering at the University of Wisconsin-Madison, Picoul and his team created a device that, when it comes into contact with a metal surface, catalyzes the rust reaction, allowing a robot to extract energy from the freed electrons. We're talking robots that snack on metal. This technology has the potential to make shipping more sustainable, where sheets of metal could essentially function like fuel cells to power a ship. That's clean energy with a metallic crunch. Okay, metal munching is pretty wild, but what if I told you a robot could watch a video and learn how to perform surgery? Spoiler alert, it can. Researchers at Stanford University and Johns Hopkins University used hundreds of real surgical videos to teach the Da Vinci robot how to operate, literally. Led by a talented team of engineers from all walks of life, they used a process called imitation learning, which allows surgical robots to acquire complex skills without requiring every individual movement programmed manually. Hundreds of videos were taken from the perspectives of trained surgeons, capturing real-life surgeries. The Da Vinci robot watched those surgeries, then learned to mimic the tasks that it saw, like tissue manipulation, suturing, and needle handling. And it doesn't end there. The robot demonstrated comparable skill levels to actual human surgeons, even correcting its own mistakes, like retrieving a dropped needle. It's all powered by machine learning, similar to what drives ChatGPT, but instead of predicting words, it predicts movements. That's called kinematics, which is the science of movement in robotic limbs. Faster training, sharper skills, fewer surgical errors. That's a win-win-win. Technology that learns precision? Now that's the future. One robot eases our tension, another turns decay into energy, and one learns to save lives by watching human surgeons. Yes, they may be powered by circuits, but their purpose is powered by us, reflecting us, our creativity, our compassion, and our commitment to build something better. And that's exactly why many say engineering is not just about invention, it's also about thoughtfulness in motion. And if you enjoyed this week's episode of The Circuit, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more incredible engineering news.